Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 Hyundai iX20. First of all, we make sure our Bluetooth is on. And there you go, the switch is on, slid over, and then we're watching out at the bottom. On here, there's nothing that says telephone that I can see. So you go to the settings, the cog icon, click on there, Bluetooth system, traffic, navigation, audio display. We want Bluetooth. View Bluetooth device list, search for Bluetooth devices. We want search for Bluetooth devices. It's now looking for one and will probably give us a code number when it finds it, which we then have to enter into your phone. So Barry's iPhone 13 Pro, click on that, connecting, key 0000. The pads come up on here to enter the code number, so 4 zeros and click pair. Allow contacts and favorites to sync, allow. It's not shown. Bluetooth authorization successful. And then over here, let's see if we can find, do you know, I never took a note of what it actually came up as, but those are all my GoPros connected. There'll be one, there you go, iX20 connected. So that's that done.